How to fix Snapchat blurry camera. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your device or your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search only for Snapchat. Open the Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, guys, you have to go to your app store or play store and update your Snapchat. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.